Hello and welcome to the video on how to find your class recordings. So if you're looking for the recording that happened today because you're gone on a doctor's appointment, or maybe you missed just part of class, or you just want to go back to the recording and look at an example I did, or you want to take a screenshot of something that happened. So when you're in your math page here, the very top should show your Connect sessions. So I have to click all four because I had four of them because I taught my class twice, and then here's some help sessions I had. But here you can just click right on it, and that's a quick way to get to the recording. Click on this link, and it'll automatically start downloading right here your video recording for your math class. But if you want to access something from the past, or maybe you want to know how to do something specific like divide mixed numbers, and you don't know where that recording is, you're going to go to Content, click on Content there, and as that loads, you're going to go to the left side. So here it is. It's loading. To the left side, I'm going to go to Course Materials and Resources. You actually see it right there already. And here's Recordings. So and this shows every lesson we do each day, and all of these are hyperlinks to those lessons. This also has a scroll bar at the bottom because this next column that's hidden, unfortunately, shows the assignment. So this is assignment that you have for all of math class, and then these are all the recordings that are hyperlinks. So say you missed something from a couple weeks ago, you can go all the way back up. If I scroll back down, it shows the dates here. So like I said, let's say you are talking about like, what did I say, divide mixed numbers or multiply mixed numbers. But if you're saying divide mixed numbers, you know your review on that. Well, here it is. This is where I can just go by the titles. And I click on this hyperlink, and same thing. It just immediately started downloading the video right here in the corner here. So you can open that up and play that video. That's how you access recordings from the past. And then there's one other way if you want as well. So the third way, which might be easier for you if you're looking at class recordings from this week, is on your home page. If you go to your schedule, this will show everything from today. So again, you can go to your math class from today on here, which is, so math right here. You can click on this math, and there's your recording to download. But let's say you wanted it earlier this week. So this is filter by day, and then you click on week, filter by the week, and then this gets you your recordings for all of your classes for all the week, and it shows you all your assignments and how you're doing. Green check mark means you have them done. These ones aren't done yet. So it's kind of a nice way to look at a whole week, to look at your assignments. But anyways, let's say you missed Monday, and so you want to go back to Monday. Then you click on Monday. There's your recording. They can do it just for this week, and they don't have to sift through that other list of recordings. So there's 3 different ways to do it. Hope that helps.